Alright, let's continue to the next materials. It's about nouns, and it will be divided into two parts. The first is singular and the second one is plural. As we know that singular is only one and the plural is more than one. So here, let's take a look. There is a noun singular and there is noun plural. For example, like a bracelet. And when the plural, it will be 2 bracelet. A teacher, 4 teachers. An egg, 5 eggs. An orange, 6 oranges. A table, 7 tables. So when noun is only singular or only one, we have to use a or an. But when it will change into the plural, for example, like 2, 3, 4, 5, and more. So we have to add the nouns with s. For plural, we have to add into the noun s or es. For example, like 2 bracelets, 4 teachers, 5 eggs, 6 oranges, 7 tables, and many more. Like that. Don't forget to use it. Next is about nouns singular and nouns plural, but the addition is not only s, it is about es. Okay, let's take a look. A box, 2 boxes. A kiss, 3 kisses. An X, 4 X's. An bus, it's not an bus, but it is a bus. I'm so sorry. 5 buses. Tolong dikoreksi, dibenerin pada bagian bus yang singular itu harusnya a bus, kayaknya typo. Okay. Next, a watch. Jadinya 6 watches. Like this. 6 watches. Jadi penambahan s atau is itu pada kata-kata tertentu. Contohnya, kita kan tahu ya kalau plural itu pasti ditambahkan s akhirnya, kayak teachers, students, tables, and so on. But there are some words that is not addition with s only, tapi juga pakai es. Contohnya kata kayak box, kemudian kayak cases, itu di ujungnya pakai i and s. Kemudian ada beberapa kata lagi yang spesial, like potato, itu pakainya potatoes. Alright, selain potato yang ujungnya ditambahkan i and s, ada juga yang spesial seperti tomato, jadinya tomatoes. Now it's your turn to take exercise 2, singular and plural. I want all of you, please find 5 things about the singular and 5 things about plural. Ditunggu ya.